In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resolve a temporarily limited PayPal account. When your PayPal account is limited, it usually means PayPal has noticed something unusual or simply needs more information to verify your identity or your business. This can be stressful, especially if you have money stuck in the account, but in most cases, it's straightforward to fix if you follow the steps carefully. I'll walk you through exactly what to do and what to keep in mind as you go. First, log in and go to your PayPal dashboard. This is your main account overview page, where you normally see your balance, recent activity, and shortcuts to send or request money. If your account is temporarily limited, you'll usually see a very visible notification at the top of this page. Make sure you've logged into the correct account, especially if you manage more than one. On the dashboard, look for a red banner that says something like "Submit info to access your funds." This banner is PayPal's way of telling you that they need additional details before you can fully use your account again. Go ahead and click directly on that red banner. It will take you to a dedicated resolution or restore page where all the required actions are listed. On the resolution page, you'll see specific tasks you need to complete. One of them will be to upload a photo ID. Next to that item, click on the button that says Resolve. PayPal will then show you the types of identification they accept, such as a passport, driver's license, or national ID depending on your country. Make sure the document is valid, clearly readable, and not cropped or blurry. Take a clear photo or scan of both the front and back if required, then follow the prompts to upload it. Double check everything before submitting, because unclear documents can slow down the review. Back on the same page, you'll also see a task called Explain how your business works. Again, click on Resolve next to that. Here, PayPal usually asks for details about what you sell or provide, how you get customers, how you're paid, and how you deliver your products or services. Answer honestly and clearly using simple language. The goal is to help PayPal understand that your account activity matches a legitimate, understandable business model. Once you've submitted your photo ID and your business explanation, you've completed the key requirements. At this point, there's nothing more you need to do on your side except wait for PayPal to review the information. Reviews can take some time, but when they're done, your account should no longer be limited and you'll regain normal access to your funds and features.